Hello everyone, this is Luke Ulfstead Official here. This was something I forgot to upload on Saturday. I made a mistake, I didn't upload a video on Saturday. I was supposed to review the Ulfstead Castle from Take and Play, but you're only going to see this picture because I have 2 unboxing items, so let's get into it. Our first item here was a cheap one. This is Trackmaster Push-Along Ashima from India. And yeah, this model looks really nice. Here's the back. So I'm really happy to get Ashima. Like, at least I'm getting some more characters that were introduced in the Great Race. Ashima is one of them, and she also appeared in Season 22 of Comics with Friends. So here is Ashima from India, the engine with lots of detail. I know in the show she also has like a lot of side rods. Now comment below if you want Ashima to stay on Sodor or just come for a visit when I introduce her. So, that's all I gotta say. Let's move on to our next item. And this is our last item. This is a really cool one. This is the Celebration Time 4-pack. I bought this in particular for just one reason. These Annie and Clarabelles, so I can customize them into green express coaches. So yep, $20 worth of this. First off, let's take a look at this Thomas. Love the detailing on here. Wish they could have put some on the back. Unpainted buffers. I like they did it on the cap, and they got different colors on stripes around his boiler. So that's really good. Now we got this rolling stock. This is actually a really cool piece. I actually like this birthday. Good color. And, yeah, I could just use this for more rolling stock in my show. Now let's move on to the reason why I got here. I mean, like, why I bought this. Annie and Clarabelle. So, no, that's not how you do it. Okay, Alright, there you go. Alright, so that's how Annie and Clarabelle are. Thomas is ready for a celebration.